Hello children, let's continue with the chapter Ubuntu. I'm going to start the explanation of the leftover portion. Yes. I am drawing a line on the ground. You have to stand behind this line. When I say go, you have to run. The first to reach the basket will win the candies. The man, the person, the anthropologist who was waiting there for the bus to come, when he saw the children playing there, he called them near him and he wanted to play a game with them. And what he told them? He told them that he is going to draw a line. He will be drawing a line on the ground and they have to stand behind that line. When he says go, when he'll say go, they have to run, and whichever child will reaches first will take the basket. As soon as they heard go, the children held hands and ran towards the basket. As soon as the person said go, they heard it, they held their hands together and ran towards the basket. The person did not say that they have to run together, but these children held their hands together and then they ran towards the basket. They reached the basket together. All of them reached the basket together. They shared the candies and happily ate them. They shared the candies. They were very happy because all of them got the basket full of candies and they happily ate them. Why did you all go together? Then the man asked these children, why did they ran together? The first one could have had all the candies. Then he said the boy, the girl who will be reaching there first will get the basket. Then why did all of them run together? I did not say that was a team task. That was not the teamwork. Any one child would have got the basket. Whoever won will get the basket. He said that. The children looked surprised. The children were very surprised by this question. They were looking at that man. Finally, one child spoke. What he said? How could one of us be happy when the others are sad? If one child had won the race, he would be happy. What about others? Others would have become sad. So, and in this case, all of you have won the candies. All of you had got the candies. So all of them were happy, were cheerful. So the man had no reply. He understood what the child meant. If one wins, the man was very happy, very glad to listen to this answer. And if one wins, not everyone is happy. One person, if one boy would have won the basket, only he would have eaten. What about others? Others would have become sad. But if everyone wins, everyone would be happy. So, everyone was happy there. Everyone wins, everyone was happy. He realized that Ubuntu was not just for the people of Africa, but for all of us. Then the person realized that this Ubuntu means kindness is not only for the people of Africa, it should be followed, it should be prevailing in everyone's mind, in everyone's heart. Everyone should be kind and helpful and cooperating with each other. That's it. I hope you must have understood the chapter. Now children, read the chapter once again and I'll be giving you an assignment. Do it. I'll give you 2 days time. You have to finish that task in 2 days time. Then I'll be giving you the correct answers. Okay? Thank you.